In today's video, I'll show you how I turned this boring old living room into this beautiful Sugi fireplace. Here we go. So once you've framed out your fireplace, you're gonna need to put up some kind of backer board. I just did drywall. I had them mud the seams because I wasn't sure how I was going to finish the actual outside of the fireplace. As you can see, I have my rough opening for the fireplace. I did it just a hair bigger than what the fireplace calls for, just so I have a little bit of wiggle room. The most important thing though is you're gonna need to have some kind of electrical going inside of the actual fireplace itself for the fireplace to plug into, or you can hardwire it as well. If you don't know how to do that, call a certified licensed electrician, have them run that power for you. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be burning some cedar planks and creating a, as Americans call it, Shou in order to cover the fireplace, make it look really cool. And then once that cedar is done, I'm going to put in my TouchStone fireplace right into this hole, and I'll be showing you how to do all of that. So what I'll be using is this Pacific Knotty cedar planking that I got just down at Home Depot. It's made to put on walls. It's got this tongue and groove. So what I'm doing first is I'm gonna measure from the floor up to the ceiling on all three sides. That way you can get a width and a length for your sides. Then what I'm doing here is I'm putting these planks together and I'm just taping them so that they don't come apart. That way it's just one solid piece and I don't have to worry about putting them together after they're burned. Then I'm going to cut them before I burn them, so that way once I burn them, I can just come and install it. Now I'm just going to take some polyurethane. I'm using satin. I think that closely resembles the actual finish of the wood. And I've already put some on the front. I'm just using a 3/8 inch nap roller. Just lightly going over it. Trying to get a nice even coat, trying to get in all the gaps and crevices, but don't push too hard where you're actually messing up the wood. You're gonna see some flaking off of the actual charcoal, and that's fine. It's just kind of cleaning it up. There still will be plenty, as long as you don't take too much off where you're seeing the wood underneath. But yeah, just going lightly, nice and even. I'll probably do 2, maybe 3 coats depending on how it's looking after 2. And now it's finally time to install our TouchStone fireplace.